Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is 4 Teens Try Unaliving Cop After Chase.
I will kill you. Stop trying to kill my partner.
Those aren't wanted criminals, but children aged 12 to 16 who had just stolen a car. Watch as they take police on a run and even try to kill one of them.
Occupied 3 times. Young male black juveniles.
Got it.
1270 East.
270 East.
Do I have anybody up by 71? No. Damn it.
Long 54 route over there.
I'm gonna try 70 here at 71. They're pulling over for now. 270, just west of 71 south.
270 west of 70 south.
Shut the vehicle off! Driver, shut the vehicle off!
What's that? He stuck out the window.
Alright, they're just fled from me, and the back passenger leaned out of the car, pointed his finger at me. 71 north, they're leaning out the vehicle still. I can't see if they have anything in their hands.
That's good that the officer is staying at a reasonable distance, though, because you don't know what was in his hand that was coming out of the window.
The kids were able to outrun the officer, but with the help of flock security cameras, another patrol unit soon located them parked at a gas station and called for backup. What happened next was nothing short of a movie scene.
I think it's backed into a handicapped spot in Turkey Hill. I'm about 90% sure this is the vehicle. Let me know when you're close and I'll try and swoop it. Go.
Hands up! Hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Put your hands up!
About to get them together. Wait, what they shoot? What?
I will kill you. Stop now. I will kill you. Yes.
What?
Trying to kill my partner? Yes.
No, I'm not.
Stop.
Got his ass together.
Put him up. Put him up. Come here. Stay here.
All right.
Another hand.
I'm getting out. I'm open.
There you go. You're going to stay right there.
They're going to drag you out.
Hey, cover him. Don't move. Actually, put it in park.
Okay.
Put it in park. You, put it in park. All right,
Y'all just threatened to say you was going to
all right. Yeah. I can't get to the gear shift. It's still in drive.
Here's the Turkey Hill
Try the
checkup.
back seat. Try the back.
When you going to break my arm?
I ain't gonna break your arm. I'm just holding on to you so you don't try to put it in drive again.
I feel like
You already tried to drive over my partner one time.
I feel like you want to snap.
You already tried to pull over my partner one time. I'm only gonna give you one of those. I ain't letting go while my partner's in the back seat. Well, I'll let go here in just a second.
We don't got nothing on it.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Hold on to this. Hold on to this arm so you can't put it in gear.
Y'all gonna end up breaking my arm. on my mom.
It ain't moving.
Ah!
No, can't. It's peeled.
It's 79797.
Step out. Step out.
I can't.
Step out. Turn around.
All right.
Turn around.
All right.
Put your phone down. Keep your hands up.
No, bro, and don't point that gun at my brother. All right, bro, y'all got to throw it up. Go in the sewer.
Orange hat needs detained too.
No, bro, what you mean?
He walked out of the car.
No, he didn't.
Really?
He didn't. Oh, tell me Sean to go over there too. Hey, I don't got no shoes on. Hey, big TRS, big bro. Big hot the boy, keep it 100. Hey, big TRS, big dog. Hey, keep it 100. Hey, bro, listen, I'm getting right the back out, dog. Keep it 100. Big TRS, big dog. Keep it 100. Big Honda boy.
What's in the back seat of this car?
2 of the other juveniles involved had already stepped out of the car before police found them, but they were soon discovered and taken into custody. The 4 were aged 12, 13, 15, and 16, yet they didn't show even a hint of regret for what they had done.
Keep your hands up. Just stay right there. You with me?
Yeah. See if it's fall over? Yes, I am. Yep. Hold on, man. Let's clean up the seat.
All right, my man. Keep your hands where I can see.
This is pathetic. And this is the problem with these kids, man. These new kids is different. I ain't gonna lie to you. Boy, these kids nowadays, they not like when we grew up, man. These kids is different. I remember when I was growing up, man, kids was in the sports. Like, they either wanted to rap, sports, you know what I'm saying? You had the nerds that was getting to them books, you know what I mean? It's nothing wrong with being a nerd, you know? But man, these kids, man, you know, they don't go outside, play games, nothing. When I was a kid, what we did for fun was either go to the park, go play manhunt in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Go play manhunt, you know, just man, go play tag. If we wasn't outside, then we was on the video game, you know, Call of Duty or whatever, you know, basketball, Madden, wrestling. Nowadays, what these kids is doing for fun is stealing cars, being a menace to society, reckless, got no home training. It's bad. It's bad, man. I'm gonna tell you one thing, right? When I was growing up, right? So my growing up is kind of split, right? So I'm originally, like, I grew up in New York City, right? And when I was like 14, I moved upstate, which is like near like Syracuse and stuff like that, like upstate. So, but the thing is that when you at them younger ages, right? Like, I didn't live in the best neighborhood. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't the best. I didn't live in the projects, but the projects was down the hill and across the street. Okay. So it's like, it's crazy. And you got to walk through the projects to go to school. So it was kind of crazy. But, you know, at those young ages, they start recruiting, like, the gangs. They start recruiting you at, like, I'd probably say like 10, 11, like 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. They'll start recruiting you and, you know, just have you come hanging around and this and that. They start grooming you and all that type of stuff. Like, luckily for me, my family kind of kept me out of that. And, you know, my grandma used to come pick me up every weekend or whatever. And I used to go to my grandma's house every weekend, and she lived in a good neighborhood of the Bronx. So, like, it was like complete different, you know? So I was kind of out of it. But, you know, at those ages those are important ages, because that's when it starts, those preteens, it really starts to shape you into, like, you know, of who you gonna become eventually, you know what I mean? It's like the first key stage, you know, like, and, you know, some of my friends turn to that and this and that and all of that stuff, you know? So, and then when I came upstate, it's like none of that really going on. Like, city kids grow up way faster than kids like upstate. Upstate kids, nah, they kind of like, they're more naive to what's going on about life. You know what I mean? Like you learning about life stuff at like I said, around 10, 11, you know, like those type of ages. And kids upstate ain't learning about that until like they already teens, like maybe like 16, 17, like way later. So, but anyway, I say that to say this, if sometimes you got to blame the parents, just because if the kids are bored in their friend group, if everyone lives in the hood, everyone's poor, everyone lives in the hood, there's a reason why not every kid that comes from the hood ends up being a hoodlum, okay? Some kids actually end up being good, and the reason for that is because of their home bringing. You know, kids is their parents and grandparents or whatever is keeping them out of trouble and stuff like that, got them in different programs and stuff like that. Like as a kid, I was in chess program, I was doing this, I used to go camping, fresh air fun, all different types of stuff. So my experience as a kid was just completely, you know, where other kids, you know, even in my own friend group, didn't grow up like that. You know, their parents didn't have them in programs and stuff like that. So they had nothing else to do but either gang bang or drugs or whatever. Like they completely different, you know? So I say that to say this, and this was a long little rant here. If you have kids and you guys are not living in the best neighborhood, that's fine. Everyone can't afford to be in the best neighborhood, but you could get your kid in programs and stuff like that and make them see a different side of whatever city it is that you live in. You know what I mean? Like, you know, being in New York City, man, I know people that never even left a borough. You know, they from the Bronx, never left the Bronx. Like, never seen the Empire State Building or Madison Square Garden or anything, you know, like, and that's right in the city. You know, it's just crazy. But anyway, let's continue before I go on another rant.
You come on out here. When you come out of the car, you're going to face right this way, okay? I'll get my phone. Nope, hands up. Face right this way. Like that. Right, there you go. Palms together.
If I ask you a double cup or whatever y'all do, make it like
yeah. Is this your car? Yes.
There's a bunch of stuff in that back seat.
Oh, yeah. It's from before that was on.
Careful sitting down, it's a hard seat. Here you go. You good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, we're really sorry that happened to your car. We'll of course take a police report. We'll get all the information that we can about these guys. This is a stolen car that they stole out of Grove City, like just a little bit ago. Do you have your information for the car?
It's
registration?
my fiance's. I think it's at home. I don't even think it's in the car.
Okay.
I think the title
is it registered to her?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to pull up maybe some information about her so that we can get that going?
He's trying to ram you guys?
He tried to run me over.
He was ramming the cars, and then I had to put my car in.
He looked at me, put it in gear, and drove right at me.
You're coming with me. Let's go. Step out.
Can I get my shoes? Can I get my shoes?
No. You can get your shoes later.
What you mean?
Why are you laughing, dude?
Cause you almost just broke my arm.
I didn't break anything.
Yeah, you did. Shut up.
Have a seat. How old are you?
14.
Yeah, that car is still drivable after stopping there.
You want the fame, right? That's why you guys do all this stupid shit, right?
Nah, I was just going home.
Because it's fun, right?
Yeah, but y'all ain't had to hit me, though.
What's
Y'all made me hit my head.
The juveniles were transported to jail, and their mothers were contacted and asked to accompany them through the process, but most refused to come to the police department, saying the kids deserved to go to jail. The situation was even worse for the 16-year-old driver, Jamil, whose mother said she would finally be able to sleep soundly knowing her son was no longer hurting himself on the streets. All of them were charged with felonious assault, receiving stolen property, and failure to comply. 2 years after this incident, Jamail got into trouble again and was sentenced to 15 to 18.5 years in prison for shooting another driver in the leg during a road rage incident. He was also ordered to pay $3,703 in restitution to the victim. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Kids be bored. I'm telling you. If parents ain't gonna raise their kids, the streets is gonna raise them. Crazy. 18 years old, sentenced to what they said, 15 to 18 years. What they said? Hold on. What they said? 15 years?
Years after this incident, Jamail got into trouble again and was sentenced to 15 to 18.
Yeah, 15 years at 18 for a road rage incident. You threw your life away, you dummy. Dummy. Pathetic. You laughing, you think the shit cool, you think it's funny. You know it's bad when your mom say, oh, thank God I could sleep good at night knowing that he not a menace. He not out here terrorizing the streets. You know it's bad. That tells me that the parent tried to do what was right, but he still went on the wrong path. You know, there's only so much a parent can do. At the end of the day, a kid is gonna do what he's gonna want to do. All you could do is try your best, but this is crazy here. Threw your life away, man. He has spent more time. Think about this. By the time he gets out, he's going to spend more time in jail than he has on the street. The reason I say that is because he's been getting in trouble. So he's been spending time in juvie, in and out of juvie, in and out, probably maybe a year, 6 months here, this, that, the third, right? And he gets locked up at 18, he gets 15 to 18 years. And he's probably gonna do damn near the whole 18 because he's been a menace the whole fucking time, ever since a child. So they're not gonna let you out early on parole or let you out on your first parole appearance. You know what I'm saying? Idiot. Go gangbang your ass in the city or in the jail. Go do that. Go do that. It's freaking pathetic. Unbelievable. Anyway, the cops did an outstanding job. I feel bad for the people that cars got rammed because of this dickhead. And it's just crazy, man. It's just sad. Sad. Whatever happened to playing tag, playing manhunt, playing on the video game, playing Grand Theft Auto? Not Grand Theft Auto in real life. We talking on the video game, man. The video game. The video game. Guys want to play Grand Theft Auto in real life. It's crazy. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.